Hey there everyone, and welcome to another cutsew.com produced video. This one is how to assemble your Juki DDL-8700.
Open the box that contains the motor and the sewing head. Remove the items.
It will arrive in a couple of boxes, just like what you're seeing here on the screen. Now this video is about an hour long. We've cut it down where we could just to shave off the mundane parts.
This box is going to contain all the stand parts.
Now it took our technician about 90 minutes to put it together, and that's usually what it takes to assemble this machine if you're a sewing machine mechanic. Now if you're a novice, this assembly could take up to 5 hours. If you're pretty handy, probably knock it out in just a couple hours. And of course, if you're a sewing machine tech, around 90 minutes would be expected. So this video covers from soup to nuts how to do the entire thing step by step, and it's covered in about 8 sections. So we start out with unpacking, and we'll finish with using the machine, putting some thread in it, threading the needle, all that good stuff. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more great videos on how to work with your industrial sewing equipment.
Remove the cardboard and you'll find the table.